In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ASUS VivoBook 15 not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble powering on your ASUS VivoBook 15 or any other model, I'm gonna showcase some steps that you can take to troubleshoot this issue. So first of all, for basic fixes, check the power sources. So make sure that it is properly connected into your actual ASUS VivoBook and make sure that it is sufficiently charged. If you haven't used your VivoBook 15 in a while, it can take a long time to charge it fully, and it is recommended to allow it to fully charge before attempting to use it. So give it a lot of time, even up to hours if needed, and as long as you give it sufficient time to fully charge, you will be able to press the power button and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, even after you let it charge for many hours, then you will have to move on to other additional steps. What I would recommend now is to press the power button for up to a minute. What this is going to do is flush out all of the remaining power. So it is going to flush out all of the capacitors from your laptop, ensuring that no energy is residing in. And then you can once again let it charge for a while and then see if it works. If pressing the power button for up to a minute does not work and it's still not getting power, the next thing to check are the actual hardware on the device. So if you are comfortable doing this, you will be able to unscrew it and look at the back cover. In here, you will be able to first reseat the RAM. So if you notice that the RAM is loose and not properly connected, make sure that you seat it into place. Just give it a nudge, don't give it too much force, and as long as you properly seat it, you will be able to try again. If it still doesn't work, remove the battery and then try the 1-minute power button method once again. See if flushing out the capacitor helps and then plug in the battery again. And if all else fails, then sadly there is not much else that you can do on your own. I would highly recommend contacting the customer support if these simple fixes do not help you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS VivoBook 15 not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.